iWave Systems introduces Solderable System on modules for rugged and intense vibration environments. SGET defined a new industry standard for System on Modules, OSM or Open Standard Module, with a unique value proposition of being a solderable system on module. The OSM Standard enables the SOM to be directly soldered on the carrier card, rather than relying on an edge or board-to-board connector. With a provision for the highest pin-to-area ratio, the designer gets access to maximum number of pinouts and technology scalability across the modules. Since the OSM modules can be directly soldered onto the carrier card, the module is a right fit for products that are prone to intense vibrations and require a compact design. The standard enables an added layer of ruggedness with the LGA design and surface mount technology. Hence, OSM creates a new versatile standard enabling rugged and compact products that can withstand vibration and harsh environments. The OSM is available in 4 different sizes ranging from size 0, small, medium, and large, varying on the LGA contacts available on the module. The pinouts are structured in such a way that the carrier board can accommodate all the sizes onto a single slot, making it extremely future-proof and versatile. Rainbow G40M SOM is the industry's first i.MX 8M Plus PCB solderable module, available in 45mm by 45mm size L standard. Equipped with onboard 8GB LPDDR4 and 64GB eMMC flash, the SOM supports various features such as Wi-Fi, BT 5.0, PCIe, LVDS, CAN-FD. As a new future-proof standard, the OSM-based system on modules powers various use cases for products operating in tough and intense vibration environments such as in-flight tablets and display. Drones and UAVs, Edge AI and smart cities, industrial and heavy machinery. iWave has built a strong roadmap of system on modules on the OSM standard. The i.MX 8M Plus OSM module, built on the size L standard, delivers powerful AI and machine learning capabilities on a compact edge device. The i.MX 8X Lite module, built on the size SE standard, is built for V2X, automotive and transportation solutions. i.MX 93 OSM module is built on a compact form factor of 45mm by 45mm, delivers efficient machine learning acceleration and state-of-the-art security to support energy edge computing. For more information, you can reach us at mktg@iwavesystems.com.